Well. There's a clinic in Khayelitsha that has been closed. Guess why? Because the gangs in Khayelitsha, there are gangs that are taxing the security company. So they're taxing the securities, they're taxing the security companies, and they even kidnapped one of the securities. And now the clinic had to be closed. Khayelitsha. When medical staff and so forth had to get medical supplies, they had to be escorted by SAPs to go get those medical supplies. Even people coming to the hospital were taxed. Wow, no man, that's the lowest. That's the lowest of the low. How low can you go? I promise you.